Hey guys, so sorry we haven't been uploading vlogs lately, you know.
It's been hectic.
Yeah, we've been busy with work.
Full-time jobs.
But our schedule is gonna clear up because, you know, the holidays are coming, so we can post more. So stay tuned for that. We'll try to make weekly vlogs from then. Right now we're going to Big Bear. It's Jaelyn's first time to be in Big Bear.
Well, I went as a child, but I don't really remember. And now I'm driving there at night.
If you guys don't know, Big Bear is like a mountain stuff. When you can drive up and see snow, there's lake in there, but right now there's no snow because it's still November. But we have a cabin in there, so it's always nice to be in the mountains and, you know, just chill out, get away from the city, you know. Just got off work, that's why we're going to Big Bear at nighttime. Stay tuned, guys, and we'll catch you in the cabin.
So guys, welcome to our Airbnb. This is a birthday vlog part 2 and a Big Bear trip because I've never been out here.
You guys are wondering, both of us are November babies, so it's pretty nice.
The beginning of November, the end of November.
Yes, so, but we're here in Big Bear, you know. Let's check it out. Let's go.
Oh my god.
It's cold, man.
Ugh, it's worse than Seattle.
Oh my god, guys. I think we went in the wrong time. It's really windy. It's cold.
The snow is coming.
Yeah, it's 46 degrees right now.
And look what I'm wearing, huh? But look at my hair. It's straight. I can't go outside. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but
can't even open the door.
yeah, it's really cold. My god. It's not just cold, it's windy too. God.
Yeah, it's like the wind mileage per hour is going pretty fast.
She couldn't even open the door.
Can't even open the door. The fog, it's foggy, but it can't even stick to the air because the wind is blowing. So it's like it's raining right now.
Yeah.
So,
Oh my god.
A few moments later.
hey guys, so we are at the Old Country Inn and we're about to get some breakfast. So
Let's see
a little birthday brunch breakfast. So let's go.
We're getting hungry, so it's a good time to eat so we can, you know, burn it, walk it around. Yeah. So let's go eat. We both got the Loggers breakfast, which is eggs, bacon, sausage, ham, and pancake. But I don't like pancake. I'm gonna get waffles. Jaelyn here. Are you gonna get the pancake?
I'm going to get the Loggers breakfast because I can only eat one pancake. But I'm a hash brown girl, so I'm gonna tear the hash browns and eggs up.
Somebody wants to be close at me at all times.
That's not true. It's not
Say.
true.
This is better because it's cold. It keeps me warm. It's nice and quiet. It's just too cold for us, man.
Don't
It's
have
too
enough
cold.
gear on.
It's just too cold. And it's raining. Beautiful place, huh?
Yeah.
Big Bear is beautiful.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind coming again.
Maybe on summertime, but I think that defeats the purpose.
No, you go hiking.
Oh yeah, that's true. No, Alright, let's get to the car. Alright guys, quick update. Back in the cabin. Tired.
Cold.
So we're just gonna be here, you know, chill out. We brought our PlayStation. So we're gonna play PlayStation, and then, you know, me and Jaelyn, we're really a homebody. We don't really like to go out. So right now we're just gonna chill and take a break.
Hey guys, so as you can see the view, we're heading home now. Last night we did not go outside because it was raining, it was freezing. Not a temperature I can handle. But yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This is where we're gonna wrap it. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next vlog.